Hey everyone, I'm about to show you how to make classic kimchi at home step by step in just 3 minutes. No fancy tools, just your hands, some fresh ingredients, and a little bit of patience. Let's jump in. First, grab a medium-sized Napa cabbage. Slice it in half lengthwise, then chop into bite-sized pieces. Toss the cabbage into a huge bowl. Sprinkle a generous handful of salt over it, mixing with your hands so every piece gets coated. Pour enough water to barely cover the cabbage. Press it down and let it soak for about 1 to 2 hours, flipping the cabbage halfway. Now, while you wait, let's make the kimchi paste. In a separate bowl, add 2 tablespoons fish sauce. Add 1 tablespoon sugar. Add 1 tablespoon minced garlic. Add half a tablespoon grated ginger. Add 2 tablespoons Korean red pepper flakes. Go easy or wild, depending on your spice level. Splash a bit of water if needed and mix until combined. Time to prep the veggies. Slice a small carrot into thin strips. Slice a few green onions into thin strips. Now back to the cabbage. Drain and rinse it in cold water a couple of times. Squeeze out the excess water. Toss the cabbage back in the bowl. Add the carrots. Add the green onions. Pour over the spicy paste. Put on gloves. Trust me, your hands will thank you. Massage the paste into the cabbage until evenly coated and a little red. Pack the kimchi tightly into a clean jar or airtight container. Leave a little space at the top. Let it sit at room temperature overnight. 1 day. Then refrigerate. After a couple of days, it will be bubbling with flavor, tangy, spicy, and delicious. Try it as a side dish. Try it in fried rice. Try it on its own. Homemade kimchi is a game changer. Now you can say you made it from scratch. Thanks for hanging out in the kitchen with me today. If you loved this, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know how your kimchi turned out. See you next time.